And hi guys, today we will learn about schematic diagram. So in this topic you should be able to illustrate and prepare design for schematic diagram for one phase 2 wires for 240 volts 50 hertz for single story house, starting from neutral link and cut out fuse to the appliances using diversity factor. And you guys should be able to list and describe terms for domestic electrical supply, and also describe and illustrate electrical distribution system for small building. Okay, so the important part for this chapter is diversity factor. So what of the diversity factor is the ratio of the sum of individual non-coincident maximum demand of various subdivision of the system to the maximum demand of the complete system. So in simple word is diversity factor equal to total load at a particular time divided by total load installed. Okay, so this DF is usually smaller than 1. Okay, a 70 diversity means that the device operates at its nominal or maximum load level 70% of the time that is connected and turned on. Okay, so sepatutnya dia kurang daripada 1. And this DF is used to estimate the load of a particular node in the system. Okay, so this is a schematic diagram. It is a diagram that represents the elements of a system using abstract graphic symbol rather than realistic picture. A schematic usually omits all details that are not relevant to the information the schematic is intended to convey and may add unrealistic element that aid comprehension. Okay, so yang ni ialah wiring diagram. So in a consumer unit, basically this is all in the MCB. Okay, so we have lighting and fan, emission heater, power socket radial circuit, power socket ring circuit, air conditioning and cooker. Okay, okay, so this is a table, we call it a table 4B. Okay, a table 4B, which is allowance diversity. Okay, those every current apply like lighting, heating and power, cooking appliances, water heaters. Okay, they have individual household installation. Okay, individual dwelling of a block. So for lighting, it must comply 66% of total current demand. Okay, for heating, 100% of total current demand up to 10 ampere and plus 60% of any current demand in excess of 10 amperes. And then for cooking appliances, 10 amperes plus 30% of connected cooking appliances in excess of, or 10 amperes plus 5 amperes if socket outlet incorporated in unit. So next we will go to the example. Okay, so this is example. Calculate the diversity factor of a single story house, single phase 2 440 volt electrical installation with the following requirements. Okay, so in one house there are lighting, power point, 1 point of 3.1 kilowatt cooker and 1 point of 4 kilowatt cooker not incorporated with socket outlet, and also 1 point of 1 horsepower aircon. So what you all need to do is to make a table consist of these 4 columns. Okay, so first column is final circuit, the second column is current demand, the third column is diversity factor from table 4B just now. Okay, and next is current after diversify. Okay, so first the question state that this house have lighting 5 numbers of unit of 20 watt fluorescent lamp and 2 numbers of unit of 100 spotlight. Okay, so 5 times 20 watts plus 2 times 100 watts, so you get 300 watts. So how to calculate the current is power divided by voltage, so you get 1.25 ampere. So from table 4B, it says that lightning has 66 diversity factor. Okay. Next, what you all need to do is the 66% times of the current you get here. So we get the new current. So equal to 0.83. Next, you need to calculate the power point. Okay, 113 ampere socket outlet with radial circuit. So the current demand is 15, and from the table 4B is 100. So you need to refer. Okay, you need to refer to the table. Okay, and then you time you get the new current after diversify. Next, 1 point of 3.5 kilowatt cooker with 13 ampere socket. Okay, so first you get the current demand. Okay, and then from the table, okay, please read carefully. Okay, so untuk 3.5 kilowatt cooker with 13 ampere socket, so the first ampere is 10, and then you need to plus the 30% balance. Okay, plus 30% balance of this, and next to plus 5 ampere. Okay, so this is a new current. Okay, next, 1 point of 4 kilowatt cooker not incorporated with the socket outlet. Okay, so from the table, it said that if the cooker is not incorporated with socket outlet, you need to only add 30% balance. No need to add the 5 ampere. Okay, so next, for aircon, 1 point of 1 horsepower aircon, from table 4B, it state that no diversity, so you maintain the current demand as a current after diversify. Okay, and next you total up, and then you get the total current after diversity and before. Okay, after that, how to get the percentage of the F is total load at particular time divided by total load installed times 100. So you get 47.32 ampere divided by 50.61 ampere. Okay, and then you will get 0.93 ampere. Okay, I would like you to do this example by yourself and make sure that you understand before you go to this new exercise. Okay, good luck. Thank you so much.